In this video, we will be discussing the topic of organizing your study table for maximum productivity. Having a clean and organized study area is crucial for staying focused and getting work done efficiently. A cluttered and disorganized study table can lead to distractions and make it difficult to find the materials and tools you need to complete your tasks. However, by implementing some simple organization strategies, you can create a study space that promotes productivity and helps you stay on task. We will be sharing tips and techniques for decluttering, creating a plan, implementing your plan, maintaining your organized space, and much more. By following these tips, you will be able to create a study area that is conducive to productivity and success. 2. Clear the clutter. One of the first steps in organizing your study table for maximum productivity is to clear the clutter. Having unnecessary items on your table can be distracting and make it difficult to focus on your work. It's essential to get rid of items that you no longer need or use. This could be old notes, books, or anything else that is taking up space on your table and not serving a purpose. To declutter your study area, here are some tips you can follow. 1. Regularly clean up your table. Set aside some time each day to tidy up your table and get rid of any items that you no longer need. 2. Keep only essential items on your table. Identify the items that you use regularly and need to have within easy reach. These could be your laptop, notebook, and pen. Keep these items on your table and store the rest away. 3. Use storage solutions. Invest in storage solutions such as organizers, boxes, or shelves to keep your items tidy and out of the way. 4. Use the one in, one out rule. When you bring in new items, make sure to get rid of something that you no longer need or use. This will help prevent clutter from building up. By following these tips, you can declutter your study area and create a clean and organized space that will promote productivity and help you stay focused on your work. 3. Create a plan. After decluttering your study area, the next step in organizing your study table for maximum productivity is to create a plan. Having a plan for organizing your study table will help you stay on track and make it easier to implement your organization strategies. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to accomplish and the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Here are some tips for creating a plan. 1. Set specific goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your study table. It could be having a more focused study session, having a more comfortable work environment, or being able to find items easily. 2. Determine what items you will need for each task. Think about the items you will need to complete the tasks you have set for yourself. This could be a certain book, a calculator, or a specific notebook. 3. Prioritize your items. Once you know what items you need, prioritize them according to their importance and frequency of use. This will help you decide what should be kept within easy reach and what can be stored away. 4. Assign a specific place for each item. Once you know what items you need and have prioritized them, assign a specific place for each item. This will make it easy to find them when you need them and will help you keep your table organized. By following these tips, you can create a plan that will help you organize your study table and increase your productivity. A well-organized study table can make a big difference in your ability to focus and get work done efficiently. 4. Implement the plan. Once you have created a plan for organizing your study table, the next step is to put it into action. Implementing your plan is crucial for achieving your goals and making the most of your organized study space. It's important to be consistent and follow through with your plan to ensure that your study table stays organized and promotes productivity. Here are some tips for implementing your plan. 1. Use storage solutions. Use the storage solutions you have identified in your plan such as organizers, boxes, or shelves to keep your items tidy and out of the way. This will help you maintain a clean and organized study table. 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining an organized study table. Make it a habit to declutter, organize and clean your table regularly. 3. Make use of vertical space. Make use of vertical space by using shelves, hanging organizers or wall-mounted organizers to maximize the space on your table. 4. Have a designated spot for everything. Make sure that everything has its designated spot, so you know where to find it when you need it. This will save you time and help you stay focused on your work. 5. Use labels. Label your items and storage solutions. This will make it easy to find what you need and will help you keep your table organized. By following these tips, you can effectively implement your plan and create an organized and productive study area. Remember, it's important to be consistent and stay committed to your plan to ensure that your study table stays organized and promotes productivity. 5. Maintain the organized space. Maintaining an organized study table is just as important as creating one. A well-organized study table can improve your focus and productivity, but it requires consistent effort to keep it that way. Without regular maintenance, your study table can quickly become cluttered and disorganized. Here are some tips for maintaining an organized study table. 1. Set aside time each day to tidy up. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes each day tidying up your study table and keeping it organized. This will help you keep on top of any clutter that may accumulate. 2. Reassess your organization plan regularly. Regularly reassess your organization plan to ensure that it is still working for you. Make any necessary adjustments as you go along. 3. Keep only what you need. Continuously evaluate the items on your table and get rid of anything that is not needed or used. This will help you maintain a clean and organized study table. 4. Use reminders. Use reminders such as calendar alerts or sticky notes to remind you to declutter, organize, and clean your table regularly. 5. Be flexible. Be flexible with your organization plan. If something isn't working for you, don't be afraid to change it. By following these tips and making a consistent effort to maintain your organized study table, you can ensure that your study space remains productive and conducive to focus. Remember, an organized study table is not a one-time task, it requires consistent effort to keep it that way. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, organizing your study table for maximum productivity is essential for staying focused and getting work done efficiently. We have discussed several tips and techniques that can help you create a clean and organized study area, such as decluttering, creating a plan, implementing your plan, maintaining your organized space, and much more. To summarize, the main points of the video are: 1. Clear the clutter by getting rid of unnecessary items on your table and using storage solutions. 2. Create a plan by setting specific goals, determining what items you will need for each task, prioritizing your items, and assigning a specific place for each item. 3. Implement the plan by using storage solutions, being consistent, making use of vertical space, having a designated spot for everything, and using labels. 4. Maintain the organized space by setting aside time each day to tidy up, regularly reassessing your organization plan, keeping only what you need, using reminders, and being flexible. We encourage you to implement the tips discussed in the video to increase your productivity and create a study area that promotes focus and success. Remember that an organized study table is not a one-time task, it requires consistent effort to keep it that way.